Good morning, class 12. How are you? Fine. Most of क्लास 12 के स्टूडेंटों के लिए ये बड़ा पीक टाइम चल रहा है. इट मीन्स कोविड-19 में स्कूल ओपन होगी या नहीं होगी ये तो क्वेश्चन मार्क है ही है. लेकिन सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है कि सिलेबस को कंप्लीट करना. Okay, so class 12 be alert. And now chapter number 4 the magnetic field का जो है मैग्नेटिकल फील्ड एंड मैग्नेटिज्म का जो चैप्टर है उसका एक पॉइंट पर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. यू कैन सी इन माय थंबनेल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द class 12 be alert in my screen. The magnetic dipole moment in revolving electron. This point is related chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 is the atom and nuclei. Okay, this related this chapter, but there is the only what to discuss the magnetical dipole moment. And magnetical dipole moment in the regarded by the electron and proton, both case. Okay, and now second point is very interesting. The magnetical field developed that time. So various are point I discussed there. This model is the regarded by the first of all discovered with the Niels Bohr scientist. A physician scientist is measuring a hydrogen atom, then find out the radius, velocity, and frequency and time period. There are various points I find out, but the topic is today is very clear. The magnetical dipole moment of a revolving electron. The magnetical dipole moment of a revolving electron, it means electron particle moving in the nucleus, then create a magnetical field and create a magnetical dipole moment. So you can see this picture. This picture is very clear. Nucleus is the center and electron is revolving anti-clockwise, not clockwise. Anti-clockwise direction the electron are revolving, then create a magnetical dipole moment. A magnetical dipole moment is the direction. The direction of the magnetical dipole moment is into the plane of paper. You can see there is the cross sign. Cross sign, it means the magnetical dipole moment. The direction is the plane into the plane of paper. Okay. So today is the only for the find out the magnetical dipole moment. And the electron are revolving in the anticlockwise, then create a angular momentum L. Angular momentum and मैग्नेटिकल डाइपोल मोमेंट के रेशियो को फाइंड आउट करेंगे एंड फाइंड आउट करेंगे इसके सेकंड पोस्टुलेट को और फाइंड आउट करेंगे इसकी वैल्यूज को. ओके, सो क्लास 12 बी अलर्ट. नाउ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चंस. द electron is revolving anti-clockwise, then create a current because I is equal to Q upon T. Okay, and Q upon T is the time period, revolving time period. So Q replaced by minus E. So I is equal to minus E upon T. Okay, so write down all of you. Then the negative sign is indicated the electron are revolving anti-clockwise. Now revolving period of time, the T is equal to 2 pi r upon v. Okay, 2 pi r upon v is the value putting there the equation number 2. And now equation first and second, and we get, so I is value E and T is the 2 pi r upon v. Okay, this value is to find out here. This value is to find out the current values, and this mechanism only and only for the solution of the magnetical dipole moment create in the electron revolving at a anti-clockwise direction of the nucleus. Okay, so write down. Now second point is the very interesting. Magnetic dipole moment is the symbol is the capital S1 M and M is equal to Ia. But there is the electron revolving case in the atom chapter is the magnetic dipole moment is denoted by mu A. Magnetic dipole moment of the atom chapter it is indicated to mu L is equal to Ia I pi r square. It is clear. So now mu L is equal to I replaced by I की जगह जो वैल्यू पुट अप करनी है here is the find out EV upon 2 pi r and here is the pi r square. So now pi r cancel out and r cancel out. The mu L it means the magnetic dipole moment. So EV r by 2. This value is the magnetic dipole moment. Then the electron is revolving anti-clockwise at a nucleus. So find and write down. Now using equation third, we have electron revolving anti-clockwise direction in the nucleus. Then the electron of the mass. So numerator and denominator is the multiply Me. Okay, and now Me is the next point is the write down here. Next point is the very clear message. So mu L is equal to E upon 2 Me and here is the MEVR and MEVR is equal to called the angular momentum. Angular momentum is denoted by small l या capital L. Angular momentum is called R cross P. You can see your chapter number 7 class 11. So Rp sin theta is equal to convert the MVR value. So here is the write down all of you. So here is the mu L is equal to E upon 2 Me and MEVR is called the angular momentum. So L is equal to MVR is the formula in here is the M replaced by MEVR because the mass of electron. So put the value here and now mu L is equal to E upon 2 Me and L. So mu L upon L is equal to E upon 2 Me. Okay, and E upon 2 Me is the value is the negative sign I indicated there. Then negative sign. Why are you using the negative sign? Because the electron is the revolving anti-clockwise direction. Then create a sign is the opposite direction. It means very simple messages are there. Very simple messages are there. The angular momentum and magnetic dipole momentum all are the opposite direction. Angular momentum and dipole momentum both are the opposite direction, not the same direction. So negative sign are create the direction. Okay. And when the proton are created revolving, there is the plus E electron. Plus E electron is the revolving of the nucleus. Then the second write down all of you write down the negative sign. Negative sign it means negative sign it means the angular moment is opposite direction of magnetic dipole moment. Okay. And second point is the next point is the when the plus e, it means the proton are revolving this direction, then the not creates a negative sign because the angular momentum and magnetical dipole moment are the same direction. So mu L upon E upon 2 me, here is the L, and mu L upon E upon 2 me. Now where mu L upon L is the called is the zyromatic ratio. Which name? Zyromatic ratio. Gyromatic ratio is the ratio of the magnetical dipole moment and angular moment. Okay, दोनों का रेशियो किसके इक्वल होता है? E upon 2 me. इलेक्ट्रॉन अपॉन मास के इक्विवेलेंट होगा, उसका हाफ होगा. तो ये gyromatic ratio है, इसको आप फाइंड आउट कीजिए. Then now second Bohr postulate here. The Bohr postulate, so L is equal to, it means angular momentum. Angular momentum is equal to the integral multiple of the h upon 2 pi. It means Planck constant integral multiple h upon 2 pi. H upon 2 pi is the called Planck constant values. Okay, so here is the second postulate of the Bohr atom. So L is equal to, now here is the capital L, small l, very simple. So here is the mvr equal, and then find out the velocity and then find out the radius. Okay, so you are also read out, there is the point of the chapter number 12, and detail is theory, the Bohr postulate theory. Okay, so first of all, only for the find out the value is the gyromatic ratio, and gyromatic ratio is the value is the 8.8 into 10 to the power 11 Newton kg, Coulomb upon kg value. Now the SI unit. Okay, so write down. And now put the value upon the angular momentum. Here is the value. Find the value of the magnetical dipole moment. So magnetical dipole moment is equal to E upon 2 me, and here is the L value. And here is the L value. The value is the L replaced by which L replaced by? The L is replaced by NH upon 2 pi. So mu L is equal to E upon 2 me and NH upon 2 pi. Okay, so mu L is equal to NHE upon 4 pi me. This value, here is the n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1, it means first circle, here is the 1 orbit where is the find out the magnetical dipole moment. So magnetical dipole moment is the first value here. Now the mu L value is the E upon 4 pi me H. Okay, so write down, this value is the magnetical dipole moment. This value is the magnetical dipole moment, and putting the value, numerical value, then find out, putting the numerical value, it means electron value E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb, and me, mass of electron 9.9 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and H is the Planck constant. There is the value is the 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. 6.63 into 10 की पावर माइनस के 34 जूल पर सेकेंड। E is equal to h mu, so h is equal to E upon mu, so E is the energy joule, एनर्जी की ऐसा यूनिट क्या होगी जूल और फ्रीक्वेंसी की क्या होगी पर सेकेंड, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम यहाँ पर इसको लगाएंगे। देख लीजिए कहीं मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए, जूल और इसका होगा पर सेकेंड, इट मींस s-1 जूल इनटू सेकेंड इसकी वैल्यू आएगी। Okay, this value is to find out all of you. Then put the value here. So mu n is equal to E upon 4 pi m E. Here is the h and 1.6 10 की पावर माइनस के 19, 6.63 into 10 की पावर माइनस के 34 upon 4 into 3.14 into 10 की पावर 9.1 into 10 की पावर माइनस के 31. Here is the mu L value is the medical dipole moment value. Now the 9.27 into 10 की power. This the value is the very standard value 9.27 into 10 की power minus के 24 new ampere meter square. This value is also find out and MCQs questions related है. So my dear student, this topic is very interesting topic. There are create many MCQs questions. Okay, which MCQs questions? The medical dipole moment values and then zero ratio mu n upon n is equal to E upon 2 me. Okay, the gyro ratio and gyro ratio value is the 8.8 into 10 की power 10 coulomb per kg. This value is the gyro ratio value. So there are the also MCQs and next two MCQs and next MCQ is the create a value medical dipole EVR upon 2. This value is also find out here. Okay, so then the value is the also medical dipole moment, the medical dipole moment formula, medical gyro ratio value and then formula and medical dipole moment का total formula by the regarding of the angular momentum value are insert there. Then the find out the total value. Okay, so all of student now write down this type questions is very interesting. Okay, so thank you. लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और अच्छे कमेंट पार्ट्स करें क्योंकि ये टॉपिक वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग है और वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो थैंक यू.